The question says that use similar triangles to find the distance across the river. The shaded part actually represents the passage of river. So we can say that angle A is approximately equals to angle D, since all right angles are congruent, and angle measurement of C is equal to ECD, right? The BCA is equal to ECD because vertical angles, say that angle A is approximately D and angle BCA is approximately equals to angle ECD because vertical angle pairs are congruent. So triangle ABC is triangle DEC by AA. So similar figures have corresponding side lengths that are proportional. If x is the distance across the river, which is BC, then we can write that BC over DC equals to AC over DC. Then it comes x over EC equals to 48 over 0.4. Now to find EC, we will use Pythagoras theorem. To find EC, we use Pythagorean theorem. Perfect. Now we will use this on triangle DEC. So 0.3 square plus 0.4 square is equal to EC square. 0.25 equals to EC square and 0.5 is equal to EC. Here we have our measurement for EC. So hence x over 0.5 equals to 48 or 0.4. X over 0.5 into 0.5 equals to 48 over 0.4 into 0.5. So x makes up 60 miles. That is our answer for the given condition.